Hey, 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 y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. What's up? My name is Mimi. It's Mighty Incredible. For those of you who are new, show me, yes, little me some love. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey, like, comment, share, and subscribe for my oldies but goodies. Y'all know I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. So today I'm gonna do a DIY hair mask or hair conditioner, and guess what I'm using? Oatmeal. That's right. So stay tuned for this interesting video. Okay, y'all, the first thing we're going to need is a pot. You're going to need 4 cups of water. I already measured everything out with my measuring cup. So there's 2 cups right here. 2 more cups. So that's 4 cups of water. And we are going to need 8 tablespoons of oats. Okay. We're gonna let that cook. And also, I'm going to use safflower oil. This is how the bottle looks. Safflower seed oil, can you see that? Okay. And safflower seed oil promotes hair growth, protect, nourish, and hydrates the hair. So let me see. 1 tablespoon, 2, probably put like 4, 3, 4. All right, and the next oil I will use is grapeseed oil. I'm going to add this as well. And grapeseed oil, it moisturizes and conditions the hair. It helps lock in moisture, prevents frizz, split ends, and brittle hair. So I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of this as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I'm gonna let this cook, and then when it starts doing something, I will be back. Hey y'all, I was cooking these oats for about 5 minutes, and when you see it looks like this, you know you are on the right path. So I'm going to cook these oats for another minute or 2, and after that I will show you what the next step is. Hey y'all, I just turned off the stove. This is how your oats should look, nice and creamy and milky. This is the consistency that we are looking for. So I will let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, and I will be back for our next step. Hey y'all, it is time to strain these oats. I have a knee-high placed over the bowl, and I have my latex gloves on because this can be a tad bit messy. I'm gonna play some music so we can jam out. y'all, I am back. Let me know if you like this video, if you like DIYs, if you want to see more DIYs. And I'm going to show you the consistency of the oatmeal gel. Can y'all see this? Okay, this is how it looks. Rub it on my skin for y'all. See, it's a nice creamy consistency. Yes. And y'all know I love oatmeal for everything, my hair and for my skin. So I will be using this for my hair as well as my skin. And I think that's about it. As always, y'all already know what time it is. Love, peace, hugs, and kisses. Boo. Bye.